CAIRE Eclipse 5 is a powerful and reliable portable oxygen concentrator that delivers both continuous flow and pulse dose oxygen therapy. Here at the Oxygen Concentrator Store, we offer CAIRE Eclipse 5 accessories, including batteries, chargers, protective cases, and replacement parts to protect your unit, make it more mobile, and lengthen its runtime. Although your Eclipse 5 battery can last up to 5 hours on a setting of 2, having a backup plan is helpful in case you need more battery life. Keeping a fully charged replacement battery with you while away from home and using battery chargers and power cords can keep your unit running. The CAIRE Eclipse replacement battery is compatible with any Eclipse unit and offers between 1 and 5 hours of battery power depending on your oxygen settings. You can recharge this battery in your Eclipse unit using AC or DC power cords, or outside the unit using the external desktop charger. Depending on the flow setting, it can be recharged in 2 to 5 hours. It's also FAA approved and it weighs 3 pounds. The battery measures 7.5 inches wide, 4.5 inches long, and 2 inches high, and includes a 1-year warranty. You can keep a spare battery fully charged with the Eclipse 5 desktop external battery charger. This small, lightweight external battery charger recharges your Eclipse battery in under 5 hours. The LED light indicator lets you know when it's fully charged. This device includes a power supply and a power cord compatible with standard US and Canadian wall outlets. The AC power supply cord plugs into any standard wall outlet and is compatible with the Eclipse 3 and the Eclipse 5. It is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a purse or backpack. When using this power supply, a green LED light indicates that it's supplying the unit with power. This device includes a 4-foot-long unit cord and a 6-foot-long power cord. The DC power supply plugs into most vehicles, RVs, and boats, letting you charge your unit just about anywhere. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your purse or backpack, and includes a 3-foot-long unit cord and a 6-foot-long power cord. For added safety, this device features built-in surge protection. If you're a world traveler, you need the Universal Power Adapter. This device lets you charge your unit in international locations, including New Zealand, Europe, England, and Japan. It's compact and lightweight, easily fitting in your bag or carry-on. Using oxygen therapy doesn't mean losing your freedom. These protective covers and cases make running errands, spending the day out and about, or traveling easy. This protective cover helps minimize damage and keep your unit from everyday wear and tear. It features a zipper closer and a clear window that allows easy access to the LCD screen and control panel. When zipped, this cover protects the unit from rain, debris, and other elements. It's compatible with all Eclipse units. The Eclipse travel case makes traveling with your Eclipse unit and accessories easy. To protect your unit and other items, the inside is cushioned and includes 3 padded movable panels you can adjust. This case leaves room for your accessories, paperwork, and personal items in a waterproof, zipped compartment. It also features a Velcro strap that slides over an Eclipse cart handle for easy transport. The Eclipse Wheelchair Pack makes carrying an Eclipse unit much more accessible for people who use wheelchairs. This lightweight pack attaches to most wheelchairs by hanging over the back. Its adjustable buckle-style clips make it easy to attach and remove, and it features a flap to access and swap out the battery. The cart makes it easy to transport any Eclipse portable unit. It features 6-inch durable wheels that allow higher ground clearance with stability and mobility over uneven ground. The telescopic handle lengthens up to 44 inches. The accessory bag fits all your Eclipse accessories and personal items with a padded interior that protects what's inside. Its durable, easy-to-grip handle makes it easy to carry or slip it over your universal cart. Another Eclipse 5 part you may want to purchase is a replacement gross particle filter, which keeps contaminants like dust, pollen, and other particles from entering your unit. Clean your particle filter weekly and replace it annually or sooner if needed. Lastly, there's a humidifier kit, which features Velcro straps and a bottle connector, allowing you to easily attach a humidifier bottle for added moisture to continuous flow oxygen. With the lowest online prices and same-day shipping, the Oxygen Concentrator Store is your source for oxygen concentrators and accessories. Please contact us if you have any further questions about CAIRE SeQual Eclipse 5 accessories. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.